The herd is looking healthy this morning. They are grazing peacefully near the East Ridge.
The high pastures provide excellent grazing, but require constant monitoring, especially near the snow line.
Good morning, my friend. Let's just check you over.
Bleat.
Yes, you're looking well today.
Keep them moving, good dogs. Steady now, everyone together.
Good morning, everyone. Hope you're all feeling well. Just checking in, making sure you've all got enough feed. Hey there, little one. How are you today?
High in the mountain pastures, our modern breeding barn combines innovative design with the serenity of nature.
You're doing well, little one. Looks perfect. Just need to note that down.
Tiny bully.
There you go, little one. That's it. Find your mother. Good job. There you go, little one. It's okay. Sweet dreams.
This spike here suggests a change in the feeding schedule.
We adjusted the automated feeder on Tuesday. The health data confirms it's working.
All right, little one. Just a quick checkup. You're doing great. Looking good, very healthy.
The automated shearing station processes thousands of goats daily, ensuring peak efficiency from pasture to market.
Keep them moving gently. Next one up. Watch your step, girls. There we go. Settle in. Soft bleat. Good boy. Just a little adjustment. Soft bleat.
Team, keep the pace steady on platform 3.
Ensure the restraints are secure before activation.
You're looking strong after the shearing, aren't you?
If we move section 3 here by Tuesday, it aligns with the grazing cycle.
The south pasture needs another week, David.
The new kids aren't ready for the incline.
The climate control data confirms consistent levels. Heat lamps are operational and the air quality index remains high.
All right, you three, step forward. Let's go, good boy. That's it, over to the new pen.
The metrics look excellent. We're seeing optimal weight gain across the board, ensuring the highest quality yield.
Cleanliness is paramount. The flow from chilling to packaging must be seamless to ensure quality control.
easy now, girls. Go on, move along. That's it. To the green pasture.
This graph here shows our yield per carcass is up significantly from last quarter.
Indeed, the automated cutting stations have improved consistency.
Just a quick check now. Everything looks perfect. You'll be ready for the pasture in no time.
We have 42 crates for this shipment. Ensure the temperature readout is calibrated.
Got it. Sealed tight.
All right, steady on. Come by. We'll rest at the top.
And Sturgeon. This dynamic visualization highlights our global reach. The data confirms strong market demand, with distribution.
This expansion allows us to double capacity while maintaining our high welfare standards.
The main thing is to be slow and predictable. Always let them see your hands first.
Should we
Yes.
always approach from the side?
Yes, that's less threatening for the animal.
The temperature logs for the chilling rooms are consistent here.
Yes, I've noted the stability. The sanitation checks look good too.
The automated feeder arrives, bringing fresh fodder for the goats. Looks like they're enjoying their meal.
That's the final sign-off. After months of preparation, this shipment is finally ready to go.
There you go, sweet girl. You did very well. And look at your little one.
The projections for Q3 show a slight dip in overall herd health here.
We anticipated that. However, the milk production yields are still trending above average.
The mountains provide everything we need. It is our job to listen and to care for them in return.
可以叫那么小声。按弦。